Today, I want to teach you something that is very special, something that will change your entire writing game. If you have been writing and uploading books on Amazon KDP, or you've been working as a freelancer on Fiverr or Upwork, this video will change your entire writing game. I know you're watching this video with your smartphone or with your laptop, but what I want to teach you is something that you can do specifically with your phone, and it's a game changer. So I want to teach you how to generate content or table of content or any type of content using your smartphone. You don't need any website, you don't need any blog, you don't need any application. The only application needed is already on your phone. It is the Telegram application. Okay, if you don't have Telegram, simply go to your Apple Store or Play Store, search Telegram and download the Telegram app. I know that if you are working as a freelancer online or you are an internet marketer, you would definitely have Telegram on your phone. So let's get started while I show you a secret that people have not even started using. Okay, the first thing you want to do is to open your Telegram app. Once you open your Telegram app like this, you click on contacts, then you search Chatgpt. Once you type Chatgpt like this, you will see all of them. This particular one that says Chatgpt 3.5 and MJ/Telegram bot is the one you will click. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you see I've been using it since, you see the content has been generating for me since March 18th. I've been using it since March 18th. I've been trying to test everything and how it works, and it works excellently well. It gives accurate results, but then everything about AI, you must fact check them before you start using them. So the first time I tried it, I said write 10 diabetic breakfast recipes with ingredients and preparation methods. As you can see, it gave me the first one, Greek yogurt parfait. It gave me the ingredients, it gave me the preparation. The second one, oatmeal with almond milk. It gave me the ingredients, it gave me the preparation, it gave me everything, as you can see, until 10. The 10th one, it said low carb breakfast bowl. It gave me ingredients and it gave me preparation methods. You see, I've been using this mobile Chatgpt to get a lot of content. Now today I said create a comprehensive table of content for a diabetes diet cookbook. Just check it out. Table of contents: introduction about diabetes, importance of healthy diets for diabetes, how to use this book. Chapter 1 gave me chapters, recipes, dinners. If I tell it to develop each of these chapters, you will see that it will start giving me the recipes and the preparation instructions. Now let's try that. Let's just say develop the introduction above. Let's see what it will bring. As you can see, it says please wait a moment while the chatbot responds to your query. This is going to be magical, guys. Just keep watching. You would see now it will give us the information. As you can see now, it says introduction. Living with diabetes can be challenging, but it doesn't mean you have to give up delicious and satisfying meals. In fact, a healthy diet is crucial for managing diabetes and preventing complications. This cookbook is designed to provide you with a variety of tasty and nutritious recipes that are suitable for diabetes. Then the second item on the table of content is about diabetes. It has explained about diabetes. The third one is importance of healthy diet for diabetics. Let's go and check if it is correct. As you can see, importance of healthy diet for diabetics. The next one is how to use this cookbook. Let's check. You see, it has given us on that one again, how to use this cookbook. This cookbook contains a variety of breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks and dessert recipes and are suitable for diabetics. Each recipe includes a list of ingredients, step-by-step instructions and nutritional information. You can use this cookbook to plan your meals, try new recipes and make healthier choices. Remember to always consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. It has successfully given us awesome content for the introduction. If we now tell it that it should develop chapter 1 above, let's try that. Develop chapter 1 above. Let's see what it will bring. It says, please wait a moment while the chatbot responds to your query. Wow, guys, you don't want to believe this. Chapter 1, breakfast. Starting your day with a healthy and satisfying breakfast is essential for diabetics. It helps regulate blood sugar levels and provides energy for the day ahead. Here are some delicious and nutritious breakfast recipes that are suitable for diabetics. Number 1, oatmeal with berries and nuts. Look at the ingredients, look at the instructions, look at the nutritional information. As you can see, I'm actually excited to teach you guys this. Okay, this is going to change your entire game. So whether you're on the road, you're at work, you're in the toilet, anything you are doing, you can continue writing your book. Make sure to check plagiarism. Okay, once you finish writing your book, check plagiarism, paraphrase appropriately, and you are good to go. Look at the second recipe here, Greek yogurt parfait. Look at the third one. It's giving us everything with the ingredients and instructions, and also provided us with nutritional information. Isn't this awesome? Now let's try for another niche. This is for cookbook or diet niche. Let's try for another niche. Give me, or let's say, generate a comprehensive table of contents for a dating advice guide for single men. Generate a comprehensive table of contents for a dating advice guide for single men. Just watch, you will see that it generate it for us perfectly. So this is a table of contents. As you can see, chapter 1, introduction. Welcome to the world of dating, understanding the challenges of being a single man in today's society, setting realistic expectations. Chapter 2, chapter 3 until chapter 10, guys. You see that this tool is amazing. Okay, it has up to, this is chapter 9. It says maintaining long-term relationships, keeping the spark alive in a long-term relationship. All these are examples of dating table of contents for dating advice for men. Now you can take a step further and say develop the chapter 1 above. As you can see, I said develop the chapter 1 above, and it gave excellent content. Introduction. Welcome to the world of dating. As a single man in today's society, you may find yourself facing many challenges when it comes to finding love and building meaningful relationships. However, with the right mindset and approach, you can overcome these obstacles and find happiness in your personal life. You see, that has given us nice content for the introduction of this book. You need to also check plagiarism. Okay, anything you get online through AI, any content you get online through AI, you must check its plagiarism to be sure that you are not going to be uploading plagiarized content. So to check plagiarism, you use a website called Checker. Okay, duplichecker.com. I'll show you how to use that now. Once you get to Checker, you copy the content you want to check plagiarism for. You copy it from your Telegram where it has generated the article or contents for you. We are on Telegram. Let me just copy a section. Copy, go to Checker. You see this space where it says please enter your text and press check plagiarism. You just paste it here. You see this I'm not a robot. You tap on it, you check it. Okay, now it's saying we should type motorcycles. Okay, these are motorcycles. Next, buses. Do the same. Then you check plagiarism. Just click on check plagiarism. As you can see, it's scanning plagiarism. It will check it for you, and if any section of this book is plagiarized, it will show you the section that is plagiarized. Then you can rewrite. If you want to rewrite with your phone, I'll quickly show you a tool that you can use to rewrite right now. As you can see, 36% done, and it has not seen any plagiarized content. You see that this tool is awesome. Guys, like this video and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you Legal Naira for this video. As you can see, it saw only 9% plagiarism, so this is the part that is plagiarized. However, it is important to remember that you are not alone in the journey. So what you need to do is that you don't even need to go and start looking for a paraphrasing tool to paraphrase this small line. You can just think about it yourself. However, it is important to remember that you are not alone in this journey. You can just say something like, as single men, I need you to understand Or you can just say, I need you to understand that there are a lot of single men facing this same problem. That is another way to simply change this part. You've successfully changed this part and you'll be good to go. But if the section that is plagiarized is more than this, all you need to do is to go to a website called Spinbot. This is spinbot.com. Just tap on this part where it says your text here, then you paste that exact section that is plagiarized from your duplicate checker. Just paste it. I'm just pasting everything here so that you would see. So after pasting it, you just click basic spin. This advanced spin is for paid members. You can pay to use that. Okay, as you can see, it has helped us spin that, like it has rewritten it for us. Chapter 1 introduction, it says section 1 presentation. Now you're going to just change that back to chapter 1 because you know this is free. That's why it's not going to be as accurate as the paid version, but at least since we are going to be paraphrasing very small sections, this tool is actually okay for phone users. So it says welcome to the world of dating. Now it says welcome to the universe of dating. You can just change that. It says universe, you can change that again and say welcome to this dating guide section. You can just change it to anything. As a single man in today's society, you may find yourself facing many challenges. It says as a solitary man in the present society, you might end up confronting many difficulties with regards to tracking. This is not perfect, but we are not going to be paraphrasing the entire document. We are going to be paraphrasing only the small sections that are plagiarized. This tool is actually good to use for that purpose. Another great tool that you can use to paraphrase effectively is Quillbot. You can use your Quillbot to paraphrase effectively, but Quillbot's free version also has its limitations. You cannot paraphrase more than 124 words at a time, so you have to be doing it little by little. But normally this tool is not going to give you, the Telegram tool is not going to give you something that will have a lot of words to paraphrase. Okay, you just have to paraphrase the little sections to give you, and this Quillbot can serve that purpose. Quillbot is actually better than Spinbot, but the limitation is that you cannot do more than 124 words at a time, but you can do more than 124 words with Spinbot. Just that Quillbot gives better output than Spinbot. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you've learned something new today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the link. All you need to do to share a link is to go to the video. Let's say this is the particular video, click on these 3 dots beside it and you'll see share. Click on share and you'll see copy link. Just copy the link, or you can tap any of your social media to share it directly. But if you copy the link, just go to your Facebook or WhatsApp or Telegram or anybody that you want to share it with, or your class group or your school group or your class WhatsApp group. Just paste it there so that people will see it. You guys can start using it for assignments or class work. You can also start using this method to do assignments for your class members. Okay, if you don't want to teach them, you can start collecting small money from them, maybe 3k 2k, just for your upkeep, and then be using this method to do assignments for your classmates or any other person. Thank you very much for watching once again. I'll see you in the next video.